Oh, we are recording, right? Yeah, we good. All right, guys. Today, we're going to film that top speed run. Apparently, there isn't one done yet, so I had a subscriber ask me to do that, and I am happy to oblige. You want to hear this? It's great. Nothing like high compression in the mornings. Let's go. All right. Today we are on the Triumph Moto2 765. We are doing a top speed run because I had somebody request it. Apparently there's not one done yet, so we're gonna take a trip out to Mexico and we're gonna get that done. My plan is to do, I don't know if y'all can hear me over the wind. My plan is to do 2 passes, one with the quick shifter on, one with the quick shifter off. But before that, we're gonna do just a solid little pass, you know, just to make sure the roadway's clear, there's no water, nothing like that. Got my leathers on, being just a little bit more safe than usual, you know, yeah. So I'm gonna put yeah, I'm excited. Okay, all right. Wait. You wanna hear? It sounds so good, don't it? Sheesh. I love it. Alright. And away we go. And we are rolling. Alright. Mona. Her name is Mona, as in Mona Lisa, because art. Everybody got a stop sign here? Yeah? Alright, cool. You know, not the... sounds good. Not that people always listen to stop signs, but still, you know, makes you feel a little better when there's one there. Guess what I did, guys? I missed my exit. Missed my exit. Are y'all surprised? I'm not. It's okay. This is the better exit anyways, honestly. This one's more fun. Oh yeah, welcome to Mexico, boys. We've arrived. Alright, now we're gonna hit this road, you know, make sure there's no policia, federales, none of them. And that the road conditions are alright. There's nothing up here's the road. Nobody broke down in the road, no accidents. No debris, none of that. It is windy today. Goodness. We're gonna send it. So we hit 158, but it is so windy. So windy. And I'm pretty sure we were driving like straight into the wind, so. Now I want to turn the quick shifter on. So I'm gonna pull over right here. Get in the little stripies. Boop. Neutral. Alright. Inspection. She's good. We're good, boys. Alright. Bike setup. TSA, shift assist. I think that's Triumph shift assist or something like that. Enable, that's the quick shifter. All right. Now we got that on. Let's go. The quick shifter is so much fun. It spoils me. I want a quick shifter on everything. All right. So now I think the winds that are back. If the winds that are back, we should be able to. There we are. Got there a lot faster. Oh shit. Well, alright. So yeah, like 159. If there's a strong wind at your back, you can't hit 161 because I've definitely done that before. But it wasn't windy like it is today, so 158, 159. Ooh. Debris. That's not bad. That is not bad. You get there quickly too. That's the big thing, is how fast it gets there. But this thing will whoop ass on a Gixxer. Like, I will beat up most of my Gixxers. I think the only Gixxer this bike won't beat is Gabriella. But like Sasha and Blue, it'll pull on them up to like 130, and then that other cylinder is just like, get the fuck out of there. But yeah, I feel like people are so upset with bikes sometimes because they don't really know what they're getting. People buy a 400 and then they're like, oh, I don't like it, I want to sell it like 3 months later, and it's like, why? I rode my 400 for a year and a half. Well, a 400, my 400. My first 400 got totaled 3 months after I got it, but I bought another one because I liked them so much. And that is Shigo. Just they're so light and flickable. It's way easier to learn just about anything on one of those than on something like this, because the margin for error on it, like, first of all, do you want to risk dropping this fucking bike? Would you want to drop this fucking bike? No, it's nothing but carbon fiber and shiny paint. I'm good. I don't want to drop it. Oh, Shelby. Oh, are you going straight? Please go straight. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, and I got the GoPro on. I'm so excited. Shelby. I'm sad. I'm sad, boy. He didn't even try. I think, I don't know, he was kind of pulling on the ramp. We ended up at 120 miles an hour, so I don't know. Maybe he thought about it and was just like, damn, I can't shake this kid, and gave up. Who knows? That's what I'm gonna go with, because that boosts my confidence. That's how you win at this game of life, folks. You take the W's you can get. Hey, he revved. I thought he wanted it. What we learned. Consensus says 158, 159. Those were the numbers. I think I'm gonna do a time, see how quickly it takes, or how quickly it tops out. We'll figure it out. Peace.